Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we disable find my device setting in our Redmi phone. Guys, we want to disable your find my device setting, so friend you can disable. And friends, now let's see how to disable find my device in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to disable find my device setting, and we will scroll it. As you can see guys, your password and security setting guys, tap here guys, scroll it friends. Again friends, you can see this type of settings. So when how can you disable it, then you will have to click on guys privacy setting guys. We will click on guys privacy setting. As you can see find my device, so it's tap here friends. You can see find my device setting guys. You want to disable guys, you don't want to use find my device setting, you can disable guys. We will tap here to disable it. So when you find my device will disable. So when you can see cannot find, lock or reset this device if it lost. So like that guys, you can disable your find my device in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.